Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fidelity app update taking hours to download or stuck on waiting despite a fully working connection? Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for a Fidelity app in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold on the Fidelity app icon and then tap it to pause the download and tap it again to resume the download. It's downloading but crawling along extremely slowly. Go to your settings, then go to iPhone storage in general and confirm you have several gigabytes of free space since updates slow to crawl when storage is critically tight. Free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings or in the control center since a specific network can sometimes throttle large app downloads. So, all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage and try mobile data. Fidelity updates at normal speed and that's it. Subscribe.